Cotton stocking net to protect the skin. Roll all the way up until axilla. Roll the stocking net back up the hand. Spread the fingers. Take a 6 cm cotton gauze finger bandage. After fixing the gauze at the wrist, we wrap each finger 3 or 4 times until you cannot see the skin underneath. Afterwards, wrap around the wrist and over the dorsum of the hand to the next finger. The bandage should extend until the nail bed, but the web spaces between the fingers should not be covered. If there is any excess, wrap the gauze up the arm without using any force. Now we take a 4 cm gauze, fix the gauze at the wrist, continue to wrap the thumb for 3 or 4 times. Then move on to little finger. Make a figure 8 pattern to close in the 6 cm gauze flap at the base of each finger. Wrap the gauze in same manner from the dorsum of the hand and always once around the wrist before going to the next finger. The palmar surface should be free of bandage. The stocking net is then pulled down over the hand and the thumb placed through the hole. Keep the fingers fully extended. Now we take a 10 cm breathable foam material, put in the thumb, beginning on the palm, wrap the foam around the base of the thumb, then over the back of the hand to cover the metacarpals. Continue wrapping the foam up hand. The patient then make a fist, and the rest of the foam bandage is used up the arm. Make sure to overlap the foam 50%. The elbow should be flexed from 30 to 40 degrees, and the foam bandage continue up to axilla. Spread the fingers wide open again. Now we take a 6 cm with short stretch bandage for the hand. After fixing the bandage once around the wrist, it goes towards base of the thumb, apply light pull, move up to the little finger, covering the space between the thumb and the index finger and over the metacarpals. Repeat for another 2 more rounds to cover the hand. The patient then makes a fist, and the rest of the bandage is wrapped up the arm with 50% overlap. Make sure to have equal spacing. An 8 cm width short stretch bandage is then used on the arm. Always start with the tail of the bandage facing up, so the end of the bandage is buried, overlapping 50% with the same tension on each turn of the bandage, pulling on both sides. The elbow is flexed from 30 to 40 degrees to maintain functioning of the arm. If there is any excess, to lay down the bandage without any tension. Check for even overlap of the bandage and the transition of pressure from distal to proximal. Depending on the size of the arm, we choose different width of the short stretched bandage for the second layer, to start at the wrist. Be sure to create an equal overlap and equal tension in the bandage up the arm. The direction of the bandaging can be alternated. To lay down the bandage without any tension if there is any excess. Fix the end of the bandage with tape. Check the pressure again. In general, bandage should be same pressure throughout and not be painful. Make sure to check the circulation post-bandage. Press onto the finger for a few seconds. Observe for capillary return in fingers upon release.